Yep, I got new safety glasses. These have the bifocals on the bottom, so I can look down here at this ad from Fasteners Incorporated, which is the only place to buy your tools. They sell on the online. I walk in there because it's right here in town. They sell a lot of tools. And every time I've had a issue with the Milwaukee, I walk in there and hand it to them, and they hand me a new one. This is exciting though. First of the month, they start their Black Friday sale. You can build your own hammer. But anyway, let's get back to work on this cab. I got gloves. Tired of wearing those ones that are all torn up. I'm going to put some of these on there, on my hands, and then we'll mark this door out and cut it off. These go in here. All right. I need to mark this. I think I just used that piece of metal. And again, we're looking for a Sharpie. That doesn't go there. This goes here. I'm just going to make a line. If we mess up, we'll just weld it back together and create more work, which is fine. We're here for. Well, I don't know. These glasses, you got to get used to them. Zoom bifocal on the bottom. Everything's blurry when you're looking down. So you look at your phone and then you realize, wow, I'm going blind. I don't need this over here. Set this out here. Sometimes I wonder, like, what if I was into Legos or something? Something that's light, like lightweight. I feel like everything I do is heavy. I guess that's just how we're going to do it. Yep. Good and tight. Sure. Yep. Well, that was cool. Let's take a closer look at this. It's kind of a mess. It's not kind of a mess. This is a mess. There's no... Well, this isn't even attached to the bottom of the door. Oh, boy. This isn't attached. Let's grab one of those. Oh, man. Does it matter if... So this is a driver's door. Wait, no, this is a passenger's door. So is that other one a driver's? So this is a driver's door. Oh man. Like how do you remove this hinge like that? I'm gonna have to get that pin out. You know, a fella mentioned, why don't you just, or suggested that we do suicide doors. I think that's a great idea. I really do. If this was my truck. Because, I mean, it'd be a lot more work. And I'm way over what I wanted to do originally anyway. Would be cool though. Probably gonna need a big hammer. No, I don't need this other door in here. So this is what we have to work with. That big old bulky hinge. And this is what we have. This is what we need. You know, if I cut that out of that door, it'll be easier to work with. I mean, I don't have, like, there's no part supplier to buy this from. So let's cut this hinge out of this door. Let's just cut it out. Now we can get this out of here. I don't want this in here. I don't like these glasses. Can do this and this. Good call, Terrence. Let's get the skin off. Thinking if I remove this skin, it'll, I don't know, some way get me closer to what I'm trying to do. Oh, I'm missing one of my little adjustable wrenches. That's going to drive me nuts. I think I know where it is, though. Wanted to save this piece of metal. But the more it fights me, the less likely I'm going to use it. I'm going to wad this thing up. All right. All right, now let's get this pin out. Stop going in there. I knew you were going to do that. Well, this thing's bending. Piece of crap. Oh, it's coming out, though. Yeah, we're doing something. This thing's so mushroomed out, it's probably going to be really hard to get it out. But we're just going to keep after it. Maybe change the punch. Maybe get something else. coming out. Boy, that thing's really wallered. That can go in the garbage. Now useless. What do we got here? Oh yeah, Craftsman. This one says USA on it. Not even gonna get me down there enough. Guess I can ruin another one of these. We'll just tap it in. Well, I got a old bolt that barely fits. Not gonna like that. Just come on out. Oh, that hurt. Oh, yeah. That might draw blood. Man, that doesn't feel good. Who won that? Now I still got to get the pin out. Let's do this again. Worked well. We're still having a good time. We haven't done anything but get this out. Okay. Let's see how this fits on the truck. So I think what I'm going to do is cut myself out a square where I can access the inside here. And I'm going to cut the ears off of this thing. Or do I take the ears off of this? I need a bigger hole. Let's do that first. You got that piece now too. Great. Good thing it's so rusty. Perfect. Huh? Hang this door on the truck. Well, it fits nice, kinda. I think if I cut all this out down to this plate, I can set this in there and weld it in. So apparently this $20 microphone, you've got to charge it if you want to keep using it. And I didn't. So it turned off when I thought it was on. And the tail end of our video, when I started to weld this, there's no audio. So I'm going to put some music in for you. Hopefully you enjoyed it. But our door works. Got it welded on there. Tomorrow I will build a structure on the inside of this door so it won't be so wobbly. Basically just a door skin. Pretty happy though. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.